The next example of code or design smell is that the got class, or some of the paper they call this one as a bloop. BLOB, bloop. Okay, bloop code smell lah. Okay, so what is the got class? Okay, so the description is that they centralize the functionality of the system into one class diagram. Okay, and then they perform too much work on its own. Okay, you can see here, okay, a lot of method, a lot of attribute in one class. Okay, this is one class. Okay, and then they delegate only minor detail to a set of trivial class and use data from other class. Okay, they just delegate. For example here, customer, regular customer, and article. Okay, so the characteristic of this problem is that complexity of the class is very high. Okay, as you can see here, we know that we know instantly. Okay, this class is very complex. Okay, if we use some metric, for example weighted method per class here, we will get the very high value for the complexity. And then the class cohesion is very low. Okay, because they put everything in one class, so the cohesion to another class is very low lah. Okay, this is the rule of thumb. Alright, and then the class use directly more attribute than other class. Okay, if you see here, a lot of attribute here. Okay, for the got class problem. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, how to solve this thing? Okay, the first one, you go back to the refactoring technique. Okay, the most important one is that you need to identify the cluster or method and attribute that are tied together. Okay, identify method or attribute that tie together lah. Okay, meaning that you want to cluster lah. Okay, and then you will use the technique, we call it as a extract. Okay, extract class. Okay, why? Because of course, obviously we want to extract this one class into a multiple classes. Okay, so split up the got class, propose to actually to incrementally distribute the responsibility, okay, either to its collaborating classes or new classes that are pulled out of the got class, or applying the extract classes. Okay, so obviously next time if you see this kind of class diagram is very complex, the first thing you need to do is to extract the class into the multiple class. Alright, for example here, okay, we extract into the, for example, two classes, movie and rental. Okay, from here, for example, they put everything, the information of the movie, information of the rental, and so on into one class, and then you need to extract, okay, maybe 2 or 3 class, okay, to differentiate, okay, the service, okay, that the class serve. Alright,